Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can turn off Siri notifications when you are using the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Okay, so first of all we have to go for our iOS device and open the settings. Next we have to go for the notifications, and as you can see right here the Siri. So we can announce notifications with the Siri. You can enter right here, and you can get this notifications announced on your iPhone, but get rid of that on your headphones. So all you have to do, just tap once on the switcher, and right now when you are connected with your AirPods Pro 2nd generation, like in my case, Siri will not give us any notifications when we have them in our ears, but it will be still activate when we have them disconnected. So it will announce notifications with our iPhone or iPad. It depends which one iOS device you are using. And if you want to permanently turn off all of the notifications from the Siri, just click right here. You are also able to pick exact application. Like for example, if you want to get rid of announce, like for example the messages, just scroll, find the messages, and then you can pick type of announce between all notifications and like direct messages, or just permanently turn them off. And that's the way how you can manage this function. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.